My name is Jan Slotiko here from the MISHA lab, and I'm going to teach you how to do a capture. So, just before we get started, the first thing you want to do is just make sure your system's all set up properly, everything's plugged in, camera's at a nice height, and then just remember to do this, take off the lens cap. A lot of people don't, and it ruins a lot of images. So, starting, we will be going to our software real fast, and we are going to do testing the LEDs. So what this function does is it allows us to see if the LEDs are working, if they're in working order, and what it'll do is it'll just cycle through the visible light spectrum of the LEDs, so blue, red, green. And then once we're done doing that, you can cancel this, and we'll point this out here. At any time during the process, you can cancel whatever you're doing. Okay, and then so once the LEDs are done testing, you're gonna take your cultural heritage artifact. You're going to place it in here. We are going to get the spectral on, and then we are going to place the spectral on next to the object, but not in the object shadow, and also in range of the camera. So how we can see the item is we then go to focus. And what should happen is the camera should turn on and the red LEDs should illuminate. And what you should see on your screen is a rectangle of your object. Now, as you can see, ours is too close to the object. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this lever, we're gonna loosen it, and then we're gonna bring the camera up. And then we're gonna look at the computer screen. We're gonna move it down a little bit, make sure the spectralon's in the frame. I will mention that this step is a lot of small adjustments to make sure everything fits perfectly. So, once we're done with moving the camera up to get everything in frame, you'll notice that it's really blurry. So within our software, we have three windows. We have the object view. We have a zoomed in version of the object view, and then the exact center of what the camera sees. And then underneath that, you'll see these numbers that says sharpness. To get good results, you're gonna want sharpness that's in the 70 to 100 range, but if you can't get it that high, it's whatever the highest number you can physically get. So, in order to change the focus of this pixel-in camera, it's quite simple. You just grab this bottom ring here and just turn it. Somebody